Hello students, now we do our lesson number 6 book exercise. Question number 1 is given, match the following. Column A is given and column B is given. Let's start our question number 1. A part is given pasteurization. Pasteurizations in which things we do. Now we match pasteurizations with milk, dehydrations with fizz, salt with amla, sugar with fruit jams, airtight containers with biscuits. Now we do question number 2. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Some blanks are given and some options are given. We find out the right answer and write in fill in the blanks. A part is given, blanks is या are pasteurized. तो pasteurized किसका करते हैं हम? मिल्क, जैम, फ्रूट्स या चीज. तो we do pasteurizations with milk. Right answer is milk. M-I-L-K, milk. B part is given, blanks is a preservations techniques in which a liquid is heated to a high temperature and then quickly cooled. This right answer is pasteurizations. It is the process to prevent the liquid food इन विच लिक्विड इज हीटेड. एकदम से उसको हम हाई टेम्परेचर पे गर्म करते हैं और देन क्विकली कोल्ड और जल्दी से उसे ठंडा करते हैं. नेक्स्ट सी पार्ट इज गिवन, इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूविंग वाटर फ्रॉम आवर फूड आइटम्स. एक ऐसी प्रोसेस जिसके अंदर रिमूव करते हैं वाटर को फ्रॉम आ फूड आइटम्स. ऐसे फूड आइटम्स जिसके अंदर वाटर होता है उसको रिमूव करने की वाली प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? रेफ्रिजरेशन. नो. पिकलिंग. नो. पास्चराइजेशन. नो. Dehydrations. Yes, right answer is dehydrations. Dehydration is a process in which we remove water from food items. Next is given, D part, blanks destroys germs in water. Which, with the help of which process we destroy germs in water? Refrigerations. No. Boiling, additions of preservatives and pickling. Right answer is boiling. Doctors advise us to drink boiled water. Right answer is boiling. Boiling destroy germs in water. E part is given, blanks is a good preservatives. Some options are given here, water, oil, milk and stamp. Which is good preservatives? Oil is the good preservatives. Right answer is oil. Let's revise oil. Now we do our question number 3. Put a tick if the sentence is correct. We write the tick if our these statements is right, and if these statements are wrong we put cross. Let's start. A part, food that is kept open get spoils. ऐसा फूड जो हम बाहर ओपन में रख देते हैं get spoiled. स्पॉइल हो जाता है due to germs. germs की वजह से. It is true. Yes, it's true. Right answer is tick. B part is given, refrigeration is the process of removing water. Refrigeration is the process of removing water from a food item. No, it is wrong. If there is given, dehydration is the process of removing water from the food item, our answer will be right. But now there is given, refrigeration is the process of removing water, while dehydration is the process of removing water. But there is given, refrigeration is the process of removing water from food item. It is wrong. Refrigeration is the process to keep the food on a low temperature. So it is wrong. Next, C part is given, pasteurization is a method used to preserve milk. Yes, it's true. D part is given, germs can survive at high temperatures. No, it's wrong. इट इज सेइंग कि जर्म्स सर्वाइव होते हैं हाई टेम्परेचर पे. नो, जर्म्स कैन नॉट सर्वाइव एट हाई टेम्परेचर. इट इज wrong. Next, E part is given. Airtight containers are used to keep food moisture free. Yes, it's true. We use airtight container to keep the food moisture free. Our answer is right. Let's revise again. Food that is kept open gets spoiled due to germs. ऐसा फूड जो हम ओपन में रख देते हैं वो स्पॉइल हो जाता है ड्यू टू जर्म्स की वजह से. यस, इट्स राइट. रेफ्रिजरेशन इज द प्रोसेस. रेफ्रिजरेशन एक प्रोसेस है रिमूविंग ऑफ वाटर की फ्रॉम अ फूड आइटम. इट इज रॉन्ग. Pasteurization is a method used to preserve milk. Yes, it's true. Germs can survive at high temperature. It is wrong. Airtight containers are used to keep food moisture free. Yes, it's right. You do these three questions, question number 1, 2 and 3 in your book.